Hello students, welcome to Python programming class lecture 43. Today we are learning unit 5 part 3 inheritance. Let's check the syllabus once again. Card objects, class attributes, comparing cards, decks, printing the deck, add, remove, shuffle and sort, inheritance, class diagrams, data encapsulation. In previous lecture, 3 topics are completed. In today's lecture, we will learn 3 topics. In coming lectures, we will learn another 3 topics. Let's get into the today's lecture. Coming to the first one, decks. So what is mean by deck? So a complete set of card is called one deck. So here I am creating the deck. So deck is made up of cards, right? Each deck contain list of cards and an attribute, right? So here I am creating a class, deck class with the object. I am defining one function initializing self. The self.cards is initially empty. So for suit in range, so how many suits are there? 4 suits. So what is the range? 4. For rank in range from 1 to 14. So card equal to card of, so card class, suit comma rank. So self.cards.append of card. So I'm appending this card to the list. If you are taking the second one, right? So like that you are adding 52 cards, right? So that is decks. Now coming to the printing the decks. So here inside the deck class, so take one string method self, res is empty list for card in self.cards. So in the card, in the self object, the cards are res.append string of card. I am appending the card, right? So you are returning join.res. So like that you are getting the output like this. Initially deck is empty. So as is written as of clubs, 2 of clubs, 3 of clubs, 4 of clubs, like that. Jack, queen, king. Finally after clubs, hearts, spades. So like that all are printed. So that is printing the deck. Now coming to the add, remove, shuffle and sort. So by using pop card, you are removing the card. So by using pop card, you are removing the card from the deck. By using add card, you are adding the card to the deck, right? So you are removing here pop. Here you are appending the card, right? Shuffle. So shuffle means, so you are shuffling the cards randomly. So self dot cards. So like that. In the object, you are shuffling the cards before going to the distribution, right? If sorting is for rare use. So these 3 are mainly we are using in the game, right? So that's the add, remove, shuffle and sort. So that's the today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture.